Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious nachos. First, let's get organized. Choosing the right chips is crucial. Opt for sturdy ones that can hold up to all your amazing toppings. Make sure to have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. And don't forget to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's hot and ready for action. Now, let's build those layers. Start by spreading a single layer of tortilla chips across a baking sheet. This helps ensure every chip gets some love. Next, sprinkle a generous amount of shredded cheese evenly over the chips. Then, add your cooked protein, perhaps some seasoned ground beef or black beans, for a hearty and satisfying bite. Time to get those nachos golden and gooey. Place your baking sheet into the preheated oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Keep a close eye on them to ensure the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly, but the chips don't burn. Once out of the oven, it's time for the fresh, cool toppings like diced tomatoes, jalapenos, and sour cream. And there you have it, your incredible homemade nachos are ready. Serve them right away while the cheese is still warm and gooey. Consider offering a few dipping sauces on the side, like salsa or guacamole, to enhance the experience. Gather your friends and family and dig into this delicious, customizable, and satisfying snack. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.